Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vanilla custard. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You will need 1 cup of whole milk, 4 large egg yolks, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have ready 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Ensure you have a sturdy saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-proof bowl for mixing. These precise measurements are crucial for a perfect custard. Now, let's combine our ingredients carefully. In your heat-proof bowl, whisk the 4 egg yolks with the 1/2 cup of sugar until they are light and creamy. Meanwhile, gently heat the 1 cup of milk in your saucepan until small bubbles form around the edges. This is crucial for tempering. Slowly drizzle about 1/3 of the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to prevent scrambling. With your mixture tempered, it's time to cook the custard to perfection. Pour the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Continue cooking over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. This prevents scorching and ensures even cooking. The custard will gradually thicken. It is done when it coats the back of a spoon, reaching an internal temperature of about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Almost there. Once your custard has reached the perfect consistency, remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 full teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic flavor. For an extra smooth texture, strain the warm custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Finally, cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Chill for at least 2 hours before serving and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.